At Big Sandy RECC, members matter. Hear from your local energy experts to help you better understand your co-op.
Have you checked your breaker and make sure your breakers aren't tripped, and then you may be on a different line than your neighbor's on. Well, we start with our transmission lines coming into our substations, and then we'll work it from our feeder lines coming out to determine where do we really need to start. We start with repairing lines with the most people and start working our way down to single outages until everyone's restored.
Learn more about Energy Matters at BigSandyRECC.com.